Your highest value prospects aren't ghosting you. They just don't see your value. Let that sink in for a second, because this might be the real reason why you're getting passed over. You're great at what you do, so why are the best clients giving you just these itty-bitty tiny budgets to perform miracles with, stalling or outright saying no? If you've asked yourself that recently, you're not alone, and this might be exactly what you need to hear to see why you're being passed over for the bigger budget work. You're not being rejected, you're being overlooked. And the longer that happens, the harder it is to be able to raise your prices, attract premium clients, or scale your agency without burning out. This video is for you if you've been doing great work and you have real results, happy clients, but you're still not consistently landing the high-paying clients that you can do your best work for. If your proposals get smiles and we'll let you know, then silence, this is for you. Hi, I'm Mandi Ellefson, founder of Hands Off CEO, and I help agency and consulting firm owners scale their businesses by stepping out of delivery and building compelling offerings that command premium fees based on real client transformation. And in this market, positioning isn't a marketing tactic, it's a survival strategy. So the real reason why you're getting skipped over is not about your pricing. It's not about the quality of your work. It's that your value is unclear, it's weak, and it's not compelling enough to your prospect. And the reason why is that it takes long to see results. And to your client, it feels risky and they may not be able to connect the dots for what your services will do for them. What they really need to understand is, where is this going to take us in the next 3, 6, 12, 36 months? They want to understand this. And if your response is, well, it depends, those two words, buyers do not like to hear. And trusted experts can say why they get results and under what conditions. The second reason why is that most services, they're selling deliverables. But the problem is deliverables don't differentiate you. And everyone says that they do funnels, they do strategy, they do campaigns, they do content, they give clarity. And those who cannot be able to talk about the outcomes and under what conditions they can generate those outcomes, they're doers. And they're treated as dispendable vendors, but not high-paying clients. But high-paying clients don't buy deliverables. They buy certainty of outcome. And yes, the same client that is paying you a small amount may actually be willing to pay you a lot more, or rather, another firm who is able to show them leadership and who is able to give them certainty and help them see a bigger vision of what they can't see on their own. The third reason is that your messaging is muddled. So are you speaking to one urgent, expensive problem? Can they instantly tell that you've solved this exact thing for companies like theirs? If not, you're blending in, and that's costing you. And how to fix that is with supreme clarity. Now, most companies, how they try to fix this is they do the whole productized service thing. And that's very clear, right? Here's one offer, and here is one deliverable, and here's who we do it for. But here's the thing, is that's not actually a transformation. What you want to do is go after one type of client, one painful problem. We're talking like $1 million problems here. And one specific outcome, one specific transformation, where they can look at their business 12 months from now and it's remarkably different as a result of the work that you did together. And what you want to do is you want to name your method, share your proof, and anchor it to the business results. This is what makes your offer obvious and premium, and it's way more scalable too. Imagine how much easier it is to be able to operationalize around one particular outcome for one particular client. It's so much easier, right? And what you're going to do is position yourself as the only logical choice, where clients buy what they want next, not because it's just what they think they need and they invest in it because they have to, like they have to spend money on insurance. What you want to be doing is speaking to their future, not your feature list. And that's how you go from vendor to partner to premium price point. If you've been doing great work, but you're still missing out on dream clients, subscribe. I share weekly strategies to reposition your agency and scale results without sacrificing your life. Clients don't pay more because your offer is better. They pay more when they understand your value faster, which is not about you. It's about their results. It's about solving their painful problem. And if you're ready to finally get seen and paid for the transformation that you deliver, head on over to handsoffceo.com. Let's reposition your firm and build a delivery model that supports the growth you know you're capable of.